Welcome back everyone. In this video, we're going to go over our Game Boy Advance SP Disassembly Guide. This guide should be fairly straightforward, but if you need a more detailed guide, that will be listed in the description. As always, everything else you may need will be listed below. And with that being said, let's begin. Some of the tools you may need are a pair of tweezers, a J0 screwdriver, a Y0 tri-point screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. Next, use the J0 screwdriver to uncover the battery pack cover on the rear side of the console and remove the battery. Then use the Y0 screwdriver to remove the 6 screws holding the rear cover on. Be sure to note the 2 shorter screws and their locations. The rear should lift up to reveal the main board, and you can remove the power switch and place it aside. Next, we're going to remove the 3 gold-colored J0 screws holding the main board to the front shell. Then, carefully tilt the main board up and away from the front shell. The display ribbon cable is still attached to the main board, which we'll remove next. Use your tweezers to unclip the display ribbon cable, and the main board can be removed and placed to the side. Now we can move on to fully removing the display. Remove the buttons, membranes, speaker, and speaker cover. Then, remove the longer J0 screw hidden underneath the display ribbon cable. This screw holds down the hinge cover. Remove the hinge cover and place it aside. Now we're going to remove the 5 Y0 screws. Then we can close the clamshell lid and lift away the rear LCD cover. The LCD can be removed at this point, and the ribbon cable can be carefully threaded through the front shell. One of the final and optional steps are removing the hinges from the SP. There are plastic clips holding the hinges in that need to be depressed using one of your small screwdrivers. At this point, the hinges can be fully removed. The hinges have a small plastic cap on them that slide off. If you want to reassemble your console, well then just simply follow these steps in reverse. Now, I know that may sound like a grind, but trust us, it's easy.
Now that you know how to skateboard, make sure you show off to your cool friends on how to skateboard. Now you know!
And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video, and shoot us a like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.